Hello, everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. This is your Nifty guy. What a day it was, marking a good comeback from the Bulls. So, this is what we had discussed yesterday that we will look at creating longs in the market above yesterday's high with a pullback and shorts only below yesterday's low again with a pullback. Now, the markets, now let us just jump to the 5 minutes time frame. Markets opened with a gap up, gave a red colored candle, but I did not take the entry once the high of this candle was broken because this was not open equals to high. That thing is only valid if the open is equals to high and the first 5 minutes or 10 or 15 minutes time frame candle should be a bearish candle. Now this looks more like a hammer. Prices went all the way down, but prices were pushed up. So that was the reason I did not take this particular entry on the break of this particular high, and I waited for a market to give me some pullback. This was the pullback which market had given. If you look closely, uh, even the day low was taken out. Now, the day low being taken out adds the significance all the more because that would mean that it would invite liquidity from shorters who would short the markets at day low and then the market reversed. If you also look, there was a trend line which could have been drawn. So I'm explaining the trade that I took today. So our initial plan was we'll long the markets above this particular high, above this particular yesterday's high with the pullback. Now this was the high which was there, the market had made. This was the pullback. We were supposed to take an entry above this high. I'll just mark it once again for you. Above this high. Now, if you see, as the price action progressed, this trend line formed. Market gave a good solid closing above this trend line, then gave a good inside bar. This convinced me all the more that as soon as this particular high is taken out, we have to take a long entry. And that is what we exactly did somewhere around here, around 12 o'clock, 12:10. Wherein as soon as market was nearing this, I took this entry, I guess around 12:10. Yeah, I'll just check the order timings. Yeah, it was around 12:11, uh, around this candle. And if you look, if we have taken an entry over here, where should our logical SL be? The logical SL should be right below here. The market can give some down move spikes and in its volatility, and it can trigger a SL, but that should not be the case if you put the SLs at the right place and just look at the move. Just look at the move that the market. And I kept on trailing my SL to below each swing. So this was the next swing which was formed. I trailed my SL here. Then because the market is moving in one way direction, I kept on trailing my SL below each red candle. Uh, and I exited somewhere around here. Once this red candle formed and the next consecutive candle was a red candle, I exited. If I would not have exited, I would have gotten some more points. But as the saying in stock market goes, जो book किया है वो अपना बाकी सब सपना. Be happy. Got a very good clean move from here to here, and this actually happened as per our plan. So all the more much better. I'll just delete these for our analysis for tomorrow. We'll again switch to the 15 minutes time frame. For tomorrow, again, the plan has to be very, very simple. Mark today's high, a long trade only above this high. Short trade should not be taken until unless previous days, as in we are right now in a bullish trend wherein the markets are making new highs and new lows, higher highs every day and higher lows every day. So we should not create any short until unless this particular low. For tomorrow, it is this low, and until this is taken out, we will not create any particular short positions. Now, the markets might give us some dips. It has been moving relentlessly and for the last 3 days, and it can give some dips before continuing its upward journey if it has to, or it will reverse. So that is something that the price will tell us, and we will act accordingly. I'm not interested in playing the uh, pullbacks for now. I'll only play in the main trend, and yeah, so we'll keep the plan again very, very simple for tomorrow. Today again has been a good trending day with, if you see from around the bottom till here, market has moved roughly 1% around 250 points. So tomorrow can be a sideways day, so trade with caution. These are something which you can see and check for yourself. Again, another thing that I would want to tell you is in case when the market is moving like this in today's scenario, you can also keep an eye on the volatility index, which is India VIX. Today, India VIX was in negative, which means it was closing down. The fear was not there in the general trading public. So yeah, that is something to be double check. If in case the VIX was increasing, then the up move, I would not have traded the up move with so much of confidence. I would have booked the positions earlier instead of holding them for such a long time. Similar is the case with downwards move. If the VIX is market is falling down, and if the VIX is instead of increasing, if the VIX is in negative, that means that there is no strength in the down move and it can reverse. But today it was confirming with our view, and that is why we could hold on to the positions for a longer period of time. So these are certain things you can cross check and double check to increase your accuracy in the markets. So that's it from me for today. In case if you like my analysis and my content, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also put down anything that you might have, be it feedback, be it criticism, in the comments box. I would be glad to know your thoughts. So that's it from me. This is your Nifty guy signing off. I'll see you guys again tomorrow post the market. Cheers. Have a good day.